the Super Bowl himself. He's been wildly bullish for a long time, and he's with us now. His name is Michael Lee, frequent guest on the program. And I happen to know that he's predicting listen to this, a melt up all summer long. That's about as extreme a bullish case as I've ever heard in my life. Spell it out there, Michael Lee.
Hey, Stuart. Look, we got an inflation print today that's the worst in multiple decades, and yet the market hit all-time new highs. I think if you look at what's the obstacles to the market going higher, inflation was the key obstacle. And it's been a key argument since January of this year against the market. What we're seeing in these inflation numbers, as you pull back the hood, though, is you have a chip shortage for automobiles, and that's driving used car prices, new car prices, and rental car prices through the roof. And then you also look at airlines who have gone through a tremendous amount of turbulence, pun intended, over the last 12 months since the pandemic, and have greatly reduced capacity. These things are going to fix themselves. So when you look at this 6 months from now or a year from now, a lot of the prices of these items will be lower, so that the CPI, I think now it's artificially high. Next year it'll probably be artificially low. And with that out of our way, we're looking at an improving economy, albeit the slowing of the rate of change for the improvement, which puts us into a bit of a Goldilocks situation from an economic standpoint. And then when you look at the major market indices over the last 12 months, you didn't have big box retailers or big restaurants or big stores being closed. You had small businesses. So many of the larger players that dominate the indices have increased market share and are earning money hand over fist. I think the expectations for earnings growth this quarter is 61%. That's probably a little bit low. Expectations for later this year are probably still a little bit low in terms of earnings for the biggest companies that drive the overall markets. So unless something bad happens between now and then, I see no direction other than up.
Okay, Super Bowl, melt up all summer long. Michael Lee, we'll have you back to check up on your prediction. Michael, thanks very much for joining us. See you later.
Thanks, Stuart.
Right.